Okay, so welcome back to our lesson. So we are now going to start the final stage or the final learning module. Okay, or the final topic for the computer subject for the first grading. Okay? So I hope you listen well sa um, last topic natin about customizing the taskbar. Okay, so yung themes, 'di ba? Changing themes. Okay, so yung mga yon. Okay, now we are going to tackle about managing folders and files using Windows 7. Okay? So, it says here, let me read this, the introduction. So, once you work on computer all day, you want to ensure files are organized in a manner that will make it easy for you to locate an item quickly. Okay, so tama nga naman. Kasi you don't want yung messy na table. Kumbaga, sa pagkainan, ayaw mo yung madumi. Okay? Gusto mo lahat naka-ayos. Okay? Kumbaga, dito naman sa desktop natin or yung computer natin, pagkatapos natin gumawa, kailangan naka-save siya as folder or naka-rename na siya. Para hindi na mawala or ipapasa na lang or ika-copy na lang. Okay? So, be specific in terms of files, names, so you can conduct an easy search for a specific item when in a rush. Okay? Pag rush ka kasi, mamaya hindi mo na alam kung ano yung pinangalan mo. Mamaya, nagulyanin ka na. Okay? So, hanapin mo pa. So, kailangan i-rename mo yung maaalala mo or yung mismong project name. Okay? So this might not seem like a big deal, okay? But it can be a huge time saver. In this unit, you will equip with knowledge and skills in organizing and separating your documents, programs, and files. Okay? When organizing your file into folder means you will save time looking for things and will have more time to work on important tasks. Okay? So, para hindi ka na malito sa paghahanap, para hindi na masayang yung time mo sa paghahanap ng file, okay? So, gumawa ka na lang ng folder. And then, isave mo doon mismo. Okay? Para mas mapabilis yung trabaho mo. Okay? Getting organized comes as a second nature to some of us, okay? While others may choose to procrastinate on any organizational task. Okay, meron kasi yung mga tao na nagsisave na lang sa labas ng desktop. Kagaya nito, kagaya ako. Ayan. Sinisave ko sa labas ng desktop para mas makita ko kaagad. Okay? So, medyo ano kasi ako, medyo hindi ako masyadong tawag dito, maayos. Okay? So, ayusin ko na lang later on kasi ongoing pa lang yung topic. Okay? Next. Okay, so we have here to take a look at the picture. Okay, so pagmasdan nyo mabuti. Okay, why do you need a cabinet in a room or in an office? Okay? So, pag-isipan nyo. So, why do we need a cabinet? Okay? So, it says here, a cabinet is used to arrange, organize, and store all personal belongings. So, tama nga naman. Kasi, pag wala kang cabinet, meaning, nakakalat lang sa table or sa labas-labas yung mga gamit mo. Kumbaga, wala kang cabinet sa mga damit mo. Di ba? Makalat, tignan. Right? Kahit natupi man yan, nakakalat lang sa gilid. Wala kang cabinet eh. Nakikita. Okay? So, that is the purpose of cabinet. Kumbaga sa mga files, nilalagay mo sa cabinet lahat para ma-sort. Okay? Para mas makita mo or para later on maghahanap ka, alam mo kung saan mo nilagay. Okay? So, that is the purpose of cabinet. Okay? You will also filing cabinet in an office where important papers and documents are kept. Okay? So, dun mo tinago. Kumbaga, sa'yo, projects, mga outputs mo, nilalagay mo sa isang lalagyanan. Okay? So, your computer contains several things that should be organized properly to avoid future problems. Okay? These are files and folders which can be managed by using the Windows Explorer. Okay? Next, understanding files and folders. Okay. So, these files are placed in drawer, okay, like called folders. So, sa PC naman natin, ay sa totoong buhay, ang tawag natin doon is drawer or cabinet. Okay, so sa computer naman natin, tinatawag natin itong folders. Okay? In organizing your files in the computer, you have to put them in proper folders so you can easily find, move, copy, or open items. Okay? So, yun yung tatawag natin na folders. Okay, it was discussed earlier that your file should be kept in folders. Okay, so yung diniscuss ko a while ago. So, this figure shows how a folder look like. Okay, so meron tayo dito, ito yung folder natin. And then, yung applications na nasa-save natin is Microsoft Word. Okay, and then, we have a file. Ito yung mga file na samples natin. Okay, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so, ito yung mga samples natin. Word, PDF Word, Word. Okay? Hindi ko na tuloy maibalik. Ayan. So, kinalat ko lang. Okay? So, this is a Excel file. Okay? So, yung mga class records, nandyan lahat. Pero, hindi to yung class records nyo, ha? Copy ko lang yan. Okay? So, dito na lang tayo sa PowerPoint para mas maayos. Okay. So, dito tayo. Next. Okay. Okay, so the Windows Explorer. Okay, Windows Explorer help you manage files and folders easily. Okay? You can find, copy, move, delete, and create folder directories for your files. So, pag sinabi natin directories, kumbaga meron siyang pinaka-folder. And then meron ulit subfolder, subfolder, subfolder. Okay? Yun yung tinatawag na directories. Okay? So, you can open Windows Explorer by clicking Start button, choose All Programs, click Accessories, lastly, click Open Windows Explorer. So, yun yung sa my Windows 7. Another way is to right-click on Start button, then click Open Windows Explorer. Okay, so try natin kung meron tayo ito. Okay, so yung Windows Explorer natin sa Windows 10 is the document. Okay, click natin si document. Okay? So, this PC, ayan. So, this is our Windows Explorer. Okay? So, sa Windows 10. Magkaiba kasi. Okay, so this is the sample of Windows Explorer. Ayan. So, parehas lang sila. Windows Explorer, this PC kayong tawag. My computer naman sa Windows 7. Ayan, medyo pulado na yung hardware ko. Yung hard disk pala, I should say. Okay, ayan. Parts of a Windows Explorer window. Okay. So, ito yung parts niya. We have the address bar. Okay, ito yung address bar natin. Ito. Yan. So, parehas lang sila. Address bar ang tawag dyan. An enhanced address bar where you can navigate the files and folders easily. You can also access any subfolders of the current folder you are using by clicking the arrow to the right and selecting the folder you want to open. Okay, kunwari, open tayo dito. Documents, Adobe. Okay, so meron tayo dito yung arrows natin. Ayan. So, pwede natin siyang i-open by that. Subfolders, kunwari, back tayo ng folder. Okay, back folder. Ayan, back folder. Or sa downloads tayo. Okay, so nandyan lahat. Okay? So downloads, back arrow, down arrow, funny videos. Okay, so back arrow ulit. Ayan. So pwede natin i-click ng ganyan. Ayan. So yun yung tinatawag natin na subfolders. Another parts of Windows Explorer window. Okay, ito yung tinatawag natin na Windows Explorer window. So meron tayo dito, navigation pane can find on the left side which contains links of location of the folders, documents, and files saved in the computer. Can also see favorite libraries, home group, and computer hardware, computer hard drives. Ayan. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na navigation pane. Okay, favorites, desktop, downloads. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano pinagkaiba nila. So, exactly the same. Walang pinagkaiba. Okay, so ito yung navigation pane. Okay, so huwag kayong magkakamali. Navigation pane. Next. Parts of a Windows Explorer window again. Command bar. Okay, so this bar displays tasks available for the selected file or folder. These figures show two different command bars for pictures and document files. Okay, tignan natin. File. Okay, so magkaiba sila. Okay, magkaiba sila ng view. Pero, command bar pa rin siya. Okay, meron tayong new item. Okay, select all. Ayan. So, magkaiba sila pero command bar pa rin. Okay, share, view, home, file. Okay. So, command bar pa rin siya. Walang pinagkaiba. Pero, magkaiba lang ng view. Okay, next. So, ito yung command bar ni Windows 7. Okay. Next. Parts of a Windows Explorer window again. Details pane. Okay? Give details about files. Shows thumbnails, icons representing the file and information on who and when the file was created. Can also add and edit the file properties such as title, author, and tags. Okay, kunwari dito, yung pangalan ng may-ari is Vanessa 7. Okay? So, ang tawag dito, ang desktop na ginawa niya is work group. Okay? So, kahit sino pwedeng gumamit. Okay? So, kikita dyan, processor AMD memory is 4 gig. Okay, paano nga ba nakikita yan? Kunwari, dito tayo. Ewan ko lang kung magkaiba sila or magka-pareho. So, medyo magkaiba nga sila. Okay, so magkaiba ang Windows 10 sa Windows 7. Okay, so this is the details pane. Okay? So, kunwari, properties na tinatawag natin. Kumbaga, sa folders, right-click natin and properties para makita natin. Okay, so this is the properties of the hardware ko. Okay? Then, pag mag-open tayo ng folder, kunwari ito, right-click natin and properties, ito yung mga properties niya. Sharing, security, previews, and customize. Okay, ayan. 15 gig yung laman niya. Okay, size on disk, 145 files, 29 subfolder, 29 folders. Okay, so yun yung properties na tinatawag. Okay? Another, yun yung tinatawag na details pane. Okay? Oops, mukhang sumobra tayo. Okay, so dito na tayo. Parts of Windows Explorer window again, preview pane. Okay? So, preview pane allows you to see the content of the file without opening it. Can be seen by just selecting a file, then its preview will be shown on the right side of the window. Okay, so i-try natin siya. Yung preview pane na tinatawag niya. Sa may pictures tayo. Okay, i-click natin. Okay. So, kunwari, mahirap to. Magkaiba kasi yung Windows 10 sa Windows 7. Pero, we can view it by size, extra large icons. Okay? So, parang ganyan. So, parang ganyan na lang. Para hindi tayo magkaroon ng conflict. Okay? Kung masyadong malaki, large icons na lang. Okay? So, meron tayong different types of by viewing the icons. Small icons, list, details, ayan, content, and then tiles. Ayan. So, magkakaiba. So, medium icons na lang. Ayan. Maganda yung large. Okay. So, for Windows 7, ayan, meron tayo kasing tinatawag na preview pane. Okay. So, next one. Kita naman natin dyan. Ayan. So, kita nyo naman yung preview pane natin. Kumbaga, mag-play ka ng video dyan, makikita mo na lang sa gilid. Okay, creating a folder with a given title in out topic, we can now get an idea what is the main topic all about. In learning programs, in computer, creating a folder is a must. Okay? So, it is very important to have an idea on how to manage your files properly. Here are the steps on how to create folders. Okay? So, first one is this. Okay, step-by-step process. Click on navigation pane where to create new folders. Okay, so i-try na lang natin dito sa my desktop natin. Click on new folder found on the command bar, or you can just right-click then click new folder. Okay, so mas okay yon. So sabi dito tayo sa my desktop, right-click, new, and then folder. Okay, so meron na tayong folder. So that is the easiest way. Okay, and then name natin, kumbaga, computer 7. Okay, so computer 7 na folder. Ayan. Pwede rin tayong mag-create ng folder sa loob ng isang folder. Yun yung tinatawag natin na subfolder. Okay, so mag-create tayo. Try natin. Right-click ulit, new, and then folder. Okay, kumbaga, kailangan mo ng tatlong folder. Kumbaga, activities to. Another is, create ulit tayo for assignments. Okay, assignments. And then for files. Ayan. So, kunwari ganyan. Pwede kayo dyan mag-save ng mga files para hindi magulo yung mga assignments, yung mga activities nyo, yung binigay sa inyo. Okay? So, yon. Open, activities, okay? So, assignments, and then files. Okay. So, i-delete na natin. So, balik tayo sa lesson. Okay, take note, by default window automatically assign new folder as name. Okay, so i-try natin. Pag sinabi natin default, meron siyang sariling pangalan. Okay, so kunwari, magke-create tayo, hindi natin pinangalanan, in-enter na lang natin, ang default na name niya is new folder. Wala nang iba. Pwede din natin siyang i-rename. Right-click natin, i-highlight muna natin, highlight, left-click, okay, left-click, and then right-click, rename. Okay, and then i-rename na natin kung anong gusto nating name. Okay? Another. Okay, ayusin lang natin kasi medyo magulo. Ayan. Next, copy files and folders. Why do we need to copy files or folders? One reason is to back up your files. Files must be copied in a CD or flash drive. Okay? To avoid problems in the future, below are the steps on how to copy a file using the organize button. Okay, so step-by-step process, select the file or folder you want to copy. Click organize and then copy. Select new location where you want to put the copied file or folder. Click organize and then paste. Okay? Take note, you can use the keyboard shortcut for copying is Control plus C to copy and then Control V to paste. Okay, so ganito lang yan. Kunwari, meron tayong folder dito. Dito na lang sana dinelete yun. Nagpagod lang ako, computer 7. Ayan, kunwari, this is the file. Kailangan ko siyang i-copy. Okay, i-create kaya ako ng copy. Okay, so i-highlight ko siya isa-isa. 1, press ko yung control sa may keyboard ko, long press ko lang siya and then left click yung mga file na gusto kong i-copy. Highlight muna natin siya. Left click, left click, left click. Okay, so naka-highlight na siya and then shortcut key is control and then C. So, long press mo yung control and then C. So, na-copy na siya. And then, another way, pag hindi mo naman kaya yung control C sa keyboard, i-right click lang natin. Ayan, yung mga na-highlight. Okay. And then, copy. Okay, so na-copy na siya. Okay, and then open natin yung folder natin na ginawa. And then, dito sa may empty space ng folder natin, dito sa loob, i-right click natin siya. Okay, para lalabas yung pop-up window. And then, click natin yung paste. Okay, ayan. So, meron na tayong copy. Okay? So, as one na yan. And then, pag mag-back up tayo, meron tayong flash drive. Okay, and then i-copy natin to, right-click ulit natin yan, i-highlight lang natin. Left-click, and then right-click. Okay, and then copy. Ayan. And then open natin yung folders kung nasaan yung flash drive. Kunwari ito yung flash drive ko, Acer C, and then i-paste ko na lang dyan. Control V or right-click tayo kung saan pwede. Ayan, and then paste. Okay, so ayun na siya. Okay, so easy as that. Okay, so i-delete ko na ulit. Okay, so kunwari ganon. Okay, so if you have questions later on, just PM nyo lang ako or ask questions immediately. Another, okay, move files and folders. If you downloaded an audio file and you can accidentally save it under the documents folder, instead the music, you can still put the file in its proper folder by using the cut and paste commands. Okay, so meron tayong step by step dito. Select the file or folder you want to move. Click organize, then cut. Okay? Select the location where you want to move the file or folder. Click organize and then paste. Take note, you can use keyboard shortcut Control plus X to cut. Okay? So magkaiba yung copy kasi. Pag copy, naiiwan. And then cut, makukuha yung mismong file and then maita-transfer siya. Okay? Maita-transfer. Yun yung pinagkaiba ng cut sa copy. Okay? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng sample. Gawa ulit ako. Kunwari, nandito tayo sa may pictures. Okay? So, meron tayong music folders dito. Okay. So, kunwari, meron akong picture dito. Okay. Nandito siya sa music. Mali yung pinaglagyanan ko. Okay. Wait lang. Large icon lang natin. Okay. So, nasa music folder tayo dito. Okay, so sa pictures, kailangan mailipat siya sa may picture folder kasi picture siya, hindi siya music. So, kailangan natin siyang ilipat. Kailangan mo natin siyang i-highlight. Okay, shortcut in highlighting is to drag the mouse by left-clicking, and then may lalabas na blue na ganyan. Okay? So, i-click natin sa empty space, i-drag natin pataas. Okay, so na-highlight siya. Okay, so kunin natin yung specific na kukunin natin, i-highlight natin na file. Ayan. Okay, so na-highlight na natin. Right-click, and then cut. Okay? So, another way is, pag na-highlight na natin is, Control, and then X. Okay? So, ito yung cut na tinatawag natin. Okay? Right-click, then cut. And then, i-click natin sa pictures. Okay? And then, right-click ulit natin empty space, and then, paste. Ayon. So, i-check natin sa music kung mayroon pa siya. Wala na. Okay? So, yun yung pinagkaiba ng copy sa paste. Okay? Ulitin natin. Okay, so this is copy. Okay, try natin i-copy. Okay, highlight natin. Copy. And then, sa music, i-paste natin siya. Paste. Okay, so na-paste na natin. I-check natin sa my pictures. Okay, so meron pa rin siya. Okay, so copy. Parang gumawa ka lang ng kopya. Kumbaga, copy. Okay, so i-delete ko na siya. Okay, pag dinelete mo siya, hindi naman matatanggal yung kung saan yung copy niya. Okay, so medyo tricky isipin pero madaling gawin. Okay, another is finding files. Okay? So, meron tayo dito finding files. Meron tayo ditong search bar sa gilid. Okay? So, palitin ko lang ulit. Ayan. If you're trying to look a file and unable to remember where it's saved, you can find it by using search box. The search box allows you to locate a file even without browsing through folders and subfolders one by one. Okay, kumbaga tawag dito, hindi mo na save yung file sa may folder mo mismo. Nag-save la pa siya or nag-brown out kung saan-saan siya na-save. Hindi mo alam kung saan yung default na na-save. Pwede mo lang siyang i-search by using the search box. Okay, kunwari, emoji. Okay, ito yung isa-search ko. Ito yung na-save automatically. Search ko lang dito sa my PC. Okay, so meron tayo dito sa top natin, yung nalala ko na tawag dito, na name is emoji. Okay, so i-search ko lang yung name, emoji. Ang palakihin ko lang siya. Okay, ayan. And then, i-search ko siya. Or you can just press enter. Or i-click nyo yung arrow na may going to right. Okay, so nagsa-search na siya. So you can see, nandito tayo sa PC na, or this PC or my computer na folder. Okay, so nakita na siya, emoji. Ayan, nagsa-search pa lang. So, madami. Or kung gusto mo namang mas mabilis or manually, you can just search it on desktop. Kumbaga, emoji. Search natin dyan, emoji. Emoji. Okay, so wala. Another sa documents ulit. Emoji. Wala pa rin. Downloads. Emoji. Kumbaga, kung sobrang dami na ng file mo, hindi mo na siya mahanap. Wala pa rin. Music. Okay, emoji ulit. Search mo. Kumbaga, yun yung sinesearch mo. Okay, wala pa rin. Pictures. Emoji. Ayon. Okay? So, that is the use of search bar. Okay? So, that is the use of finding files. Okay? So, hanggang dyan na lang tayo. So, we are done. Okay? In our last part of our lesson. Okay? So, meron pa dito. While typing, the search box will filter the result based on the text you have typed. Any file matched to the word you type will display. Okay, so kunwari ganito. Nandito tayo sa may pictures folder. Okay, kunwari madaming images yan. Ang isa-search mo lang is emoji. Kunwari, tatype mo pa lang ito yung tinatawag na filter. Okay, nagfi-filter siya. Kumbaga, E, okay? And then M, emo. O yan palang isa-search mo. Meron na agad. Ma-filter na siya agad. Or kunwari, E pa lang yung itatype mo, lahat ng E, ayan, makikita mo, lahat ng may E. Okay, yan yung tinatawag natin na filter. Or you can just, dito sa pictures, i-click mo, i-highlight mo yung isang file, and then i-click mo yung letter E. Ayan, makikita mo kung anong letter, yung first letter niya. Kumbaga, letter E, emoji nga yung search mo, di ba? Mag-highlight ka lang ng isang file, i-click mo yung E, and then makikita mo na agad. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na filter. Okay? So, we are done with our final topic. Okay, if you have any questions, just PM me or ayan, ask questions immediately para ma-answeran ko kaagad or masagot ko agad yung mga katanungan nyo. Okay, so as usual, ganito pa rin for now. I hope you understand my situation, and for the tawag dito, PowerPoint, I will just upload it to Genio or convert it in Genio para mabasa nyo rin or ma-download nyo. Kung meron kayong complications or may hindi naintindihan, you can just download the PowerPoint. Okay? So that's all for today, and thank you. God bless everyone.